Okay, so the last thing we want to do is to make a JPEG image of the map that we've drawn. What I want to do, or what you're going to need to do, is to go File, Save As, and you're going to create a new version. So I'm going to call this one the same thing, Map 2015, but I'm going to say no Google, because basically I'm going to delete the Google image out of this map. The reason I'm doing that is because even if I try and make the layer with it on invisible, the map itself still ends up showing through when you create a JPEG. So here's all my stuff. It doesn't really matter which layer I'm on, but I can go to my Google layer and I can select, and I know that that's my Google image because it takes up the whole thing, and I'm going to just hit delete, and I've got rid of it. So there's no way that that can now come out on an image file that I make. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to File and I'm going to go Export, and I'm going to export my file as a JPEG. I've got one I did earlier. I'm going to call this one number 2, Party Map 2. That's its name. I've selected from the list the type JPEG as the file type I want. I'm going to hit save, and I tried a lower resolution one earlier. I'm going to go for a 300 dpi this time. So this is the best resolution. Hold drawing, click OK. That's going to whir away. When it finishes whirring away, that's it, finished. So that's my folder, and now that's the one I've just made, my Party 2. I'll open that up and have a look. Now that doesn't look particularly brilliant at that size, but if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that that's actually a really good resolution picture. So you'll be able to submit that to your teacher, or you could use that, you could put it into Publisher or do whatever you want to do with it as an image file, and that's what you need to do.